A big problem with these torsion keys is that people think they're seized up to the key, the torsion bar to the key, up in there. So they beat the tar out of right here with a muffler chisel or hammer or you name it. The reality of it is it could be seized there, but the other place people forget to look at is sorry about that, right up in there. Alright, that's where your torsion bar ends. And that in there, for some reason, gets real gooped up and rusty. I mean, you can imagine, especially if you live in salty parts of the world, like the Midwest, salt just gets packed and packed and packed, and it gets all rusty around the edges in there, and I mean, that bar is not moving. You can hammer on it, whatever you want. This is so long, I mean, it just absorbs any impact you make. So what I do is, or what I did is, on my 98, I actually had to heat this up, which they say not to do. I didn't notice anything different, but they say not to do it, so it's your call, I guess. It's your ride safety, and I guess if you want to put others at risk, I don't know. I probably wouldn't do it again. Mostly because I didn't know about it, and after I did my research, they say not to heat the torsion bars up or anything. I don't really know why. I don't know if they think they're gonna crack or something, but basically I just sprayed a bunch of either PB Blaster in there, or you can actually take just anise and just lather it up in there, so that when you actually are hitting back there, you get a little bit of wiggle, I guess. And then when you pound it back in, I use anise up in the torsion bar. I just take it, it's that same shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexagon, right? I don't remember. Math wasn't my strong suit, or geometry, whatever you want to say. But basically, you just anise that up, and it slides right back. Same thing by the keys, it slides right in, and everything's all good and dandy.